Привет! And this is finally the last video of this series. So let's do the details, which are my lips, my freckles, my scars, and the lashes. The lashes are the final touch. Like lashes, I think there are lashes fairies that you are doing all this and you look horrible and super weird, but once you put the lashes, the fairy lashes come and now you're an amazing drag queen. So let's start with the freckles. How do I do my freckles? I use the same very dark tone that I use for doing my contour that I showed how on the last video. I'll use a very thin brush for that. So the secret for the freckles is try to make them uneven as possible. Try to make some bigger than the others, some smaller than the others, and also try not to do the same spacing between them. Try to distribute them in a non-evenly way, but being aware that this part of your face, like this cross, is where they should be concentrated the most, because that's how it is. So let's start. And if you want to do the freckles in different colors, you can use those things that I talked about on my second video, I guess, which are some color blocks that are water-based, and then you can use whichever color you want. I really like to make freckles with liquid materials. So I didn't need to put the freckles here because I will use bangs, but that's how you should distribute the freckles. So concentrate them here and then spread them over your face, departing from the center of your face. Now for the scar, I really love doing scars. You're going to use the same brush that you were using, so just clean it in your very hygienic piece of toilet paper. And I use this lipstick that I got in Brazil, which is a pinkish tone, so I use the pinkish tone for the basis of the scar. So you just choose whatever you want to do that. I think I will do something like this. So I mapped the scar, but I will finish it later because now I will do the lips, and I have to move my lips a lot to do that, so I don't want to ruin the scar by moving my lips. So I get another brush that it's also short, just like the one that I used for the contouring, because the shorter they are, the more precise will be the lines you draw. So I will draw lines. So now that you filled it, you don't need to do that perfectly, because I'm still going to outline them. I'm just checking the proportions, because our face is not symmetrical, and you have to accept that if you want to do drag. You have so many design errors on your face. So now I will outline my lips using black clown that I got for €1 on the M. Now to correct the lips, I will take the same brush I used for my nose contour on my last video, and I will outline the lip with that. I know it looks like I know what I'm doing, but the truth is I have no idea. So the camera stopped filming and I didn't notice, but what I did was basically putting this thing on the top of the outline of the scar that I did. It's a liquid collodion from Kryolan. It has a very strong smell that I absolutely love, but people usually hate that. And I will put one more layer because it dries your skin and it gives you this nice 3D illusion of the scar. Oh my god, I love that smell. Now for the lashes, the final touch. I use 3 different kinds of lashes. I got those one that I use on the bottom. And here on the top, I put one on the top of the other. I like this one here because it has these wings. Then I think it looks super cute, and I put them a little down like Betty Dave's eyes. And I put this on the top so that it looks fuller. So let's start gluing the lashes. When you apply the glue, you do not apply the lash directly to your face. You have to wait for the glue a little bit to dry, and then you can apply it. Otherwise it won't stick. It's also nice to move the lashes a little bit like that before applying them to your eyes so that they look rounder. I absolutely hate applying upper lashes. I'm so bad at that. People ask me, oh, is there any trick? Well, probably there is a trick, but I don't know. So my trick is trying and hoping it works. Do the same thing to the other side of your pretty face. See? The lashes fairy just gave me a little bit of her magic. And it looks much better now. So now I will put the wig on, I will put my accessories on, and I'll be right back to show how the whole ensemble will look like. So, this is the final look with all my accessories. And I hope you have learned something. And if you still have any sort of questions, just write me down here and I will answer you.